Okay, so we are right now at Park Street, the newest nightclub at Park Street. We are at the Lightroom and we have those two items over here. This is very crispy. We have a stuffed mushroom. Just look at the size of this mushroom. You see this steam oozing out? Delicious, voila. This is a very delicious looking Oreo shake. Alright, we have the next dishes, the non-vegetarian dishes. Start with the fish piccata first. All of these dishes come with a side of dip. Look at the fish. Alka dip. Slightly oily, but tastes good. Next up, we're trying out some sharabi prawns. I love it. Delicious. কোথায় গেল? বেশি জুম করে দিচ্ছি। Thank you. Next starter, we're having a murg anarkali. This comes with an amshatta dip. The penultimate item which we're trying out over here, our main course. Next up we have a cottage cheese steak. This comes with a bed of mashed potato, some sorted vegetables, greens and some paneer. I'm loving the sauce, the barbecue sauce. We also have a virgin cranberry mojito. Item which we're having, oriental rice with chicken. Orgo, Ankita, experience কেমন তোমাদের? Orgo?
First of all, I like the place, amazing, and the veg starter. I forgot the name. That is something a cigar roll. It was really good, and in the main course, I
ভাই জলদি বল। পাঁচজন আছে।
ও সেটাই, তাহলে হয়ে গেছে। কেটে দাও, কেটে দিও।
ওটাই তো।
কেন?
বল।
হ্যাঁ। তো এক্সপেরিয়েন্স খুব ভালো ছিল এখনো পর্যন্ত আমার সব।
এখনো পর্যন্ত মানে শেষ তো ইভেন্ট। এই তো লাস্ট আইটেম লাগছে।
আর কি বলতে চাই না কিন্তু।
আর কি?
ঠিক আছে, এক্সপেরিয়েন্স খুব ভালো, সব খাবার খুব ভালো ছিল। এন্ড ভেজ আমার পছন্দ না, বাট ভেজের দুটো স্টার্টার খুব ভালো ছিল।
What about you, Orgo? Oh, Himadri sir.
Himadri.
I love the Sharabi prawn and this oriental dish.
স্টার্টারের মধ্যে মাশরুম আইটেমটা খুব ভালো লেগেছিল, কোয়াইট জুসি অ্যান্ড দ্য ককটেল ইজ অসম আফটার দ্য বিস্কি শাওয়ার।
What about you guys? কেমন এক্সপেরিয়েন্স তোমাদের? তোমরা তো লাঞ্চের পরে জয়েন করেছো আজকে।
Yes, so like Park Street is lighting up more and more with these amazing places. When you come here, you love the vibe. Everything is good and like,
really the place is beautiful.
yes, I'm enjoying this as well.
Yeah.
Shinjon, overall experience কেমন আজকে?
All right, a perfect place for the party lovers who love to do late night parties. This cocktail was brilliant. It's a beautiful one, and I love every food, starting from the starters till the main courses. It's amazing place.
Alright, so that was our experience at the newest nightclub at Park Street. We had an amazing time. The food was good. Pleasantly surprised because when we were here for the first day opening, the food was not that great as what I heard. But today, I think everything including the vegetarian items were really good. Slight issue is going to be there with the service and the speed, etc. As is always the norm with any place which is new. So whoever is coming out during Pujo especially, please keep some extra time. Otherwise, you're going to be disappointed with the service. And if you are finicky with service and food, etc., then I think it will be better if you stay away from the Pujo rush or the weekend rush and you can come here during the weekdays. The vegetarian items, like I mentioned, were amazing. The mushroom was brilliant. I really like that. The Oriental is pretty good. I was impressed with that. The drinks are fairly reasonably priced, so you can try those as well. The ambience is good. The lighting is obviously going to be different if you're coming at night during the party time. This is there only during the dine-in lunch period. The place opens at 3 o'clock, so it doesn't serve lunch. You need to keep that in mind as well. So yeah, more or less, it was a good time which we had over here at the newest nightclub at Park Street. If you did enjoy this video, do share with your friends and family, and do let us know in the comment section if you are planning to come over here. Until next time, this is Food Spur wrapping up from Park Street.